We are a physical therapist assistant program. We teach our students to be able to use lots of different types of equipment. They work on therapeutic exercises.
In addition to the lecture courses, students spend several hours a week in both mandatory and open labs working hands-on with each other on specific techniques that they are taught in lab. After they complete their semester coursework, they'll be going out on a series of 3 different clinical rotations in different clinical settings, anywhere from acute care to pediatrics to outpatient, to have a chance to actually apply those skills in real-world settings with actual patients.
Wherever we went as students, is we would hear feedback from the employees at the facilities that, yeah, we look for SPC students specifically because we know the education that they have and we know the quality that we are getting when we take them on.
As far as faculty goes, I've had great relationships with everybody. Everyone's super sweet. I can't even tell you how many times there's been situations where I've had a question come up after class or while we're working on work independently or getting ready for a test. I could just send an email or go reach out to them in their office and they're always there for you.